Cholesterol, a term that often strikes fear into the hearts of many, is an essential aspect of our health that requires careful management. Today, we embark on an enlightening journey to explore 7 best foods to lower cholesterol. Far from being a dreaded topic, this guide will introduce you to delicious, scientifically backed foods that can help you maintain healthy cholesterol levels. High cholesterol can pose risks to our cardiovascular well-being, but the path to healthier levels doesn't need to be bland or restrictive. Join us as we delve into these 7 foods that are not only good for your taste buds but also for your heart. Number 1. Oats. We start with a breakfast classic: oats. These unassuming grains pack a powerful punch when it comes to cholesterol management. Oats contain a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which helps reduce LDL cholesterol levels, the bad cholesterol. A warm bowl of oatmeal topped with your favorite fruits is not only comforting but also a heart-healthy way to start your day. Number 2. Fatty fish. Let's sail into our next culinary adventure, the world of fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout are teeming with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats work wonders in lowering triglycerides, reducing inflammation, and protecting your heart. Baking, grilling, or poaching these fish not only ensures a delectable meal but also supports your cardiovascular health. Number 3. Nuts. Nuts, including almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, offer a satisfying crunch that's also heart-healthy. These little powerhouses contain unsaturated fats that can help lower LDL cholesterol. Moreover, they're packed with fiber, antioxidants, and phytosterols, all of which contribute to improved heart health. A handful of nuts makes for a great snack and can also be incorporated into a variety of dishes. Number 4. Legumes. Legumes like beans, lentils, and chickpeas are celebrated for their fiber content, which helps reduce cholesterol levels. They're also rich in plant-based protein, making them a heart-healthy alternative to animal protein. Soups, salads, and stews with these legumes are not only delicious but also nutritious choices for your cholesterol management journey. Number 5. Olive oil. Olive oil, often referred to as liquid gold, is a staple in the Mediterranean diet and has gained recognition for its heart-boosting benefits. It's brimming with monounsaturated fats that can lower LDL cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Drizzle it over salads, use it for cooking, or dip your favorite whole grain bread in it for a delightful, heart-healthy addition to your meals. Number 6. Garlic. Garlic, a culinary gem, is renowned not only for its flavor but also for its potential to lower cholesterol levels. It contains allicin, a compound that can reduce both total and LDL cholesterol. Adding garlic to your dishes doesn't just enhance the taste, but it also contributes to your cardiovascular well-being. Number 7. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries, not only tantalize your taste buds but also offer a wealth of antioxidants. These antioxidants combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which can contribute to heart disease. Berries make for delightful snacks, smoothie additions, or a sweet ending to your meal. In conclusion, managing your cholesterol doesn't mean compromising on flavor or variety. These 7 foods offer a delectable path to heart-healthy living. Oats kickstart your day with soluble fiber, fatty fish provide omega-3s for heart health, nuts offer healthy fats and more, legumes provide fiber and plant protein, olive oil is liquid gold for your heart, garlic adds flavor and cholesterol management benefits, and berries pack antioxidants for your cardiovascular well-being. By incorporating these foods into your diet and maintaining a balanced, cholesterol-friendly lifestyle, you can take proactive steps towards a healthier heart. Cholesterol management can be a delicious and fulfilling journey. For more informative videos, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your heart matters, and we're here to guide you on a path to lasting heart health. Stay heart healthy and take care.